Hello students of 9th and 10th class, a very good morning to you all and to your parents. So today is the day when Edward Jenner first tested smallpox vaccination. He was a great scientist who gave us vaccination against smallpox, and pray to God on this day that we find vaccination for coronavirus as early as possible. God give us strength, give us brain, give us intellect so that the world can find a cure to this epidemic. Thank you very much. Let us start today's class. 10th class students, we continue with chapter 7, exercise 7b. We were on question number 9. If y is the mean proportional between x and z, y is mean proportional between x and z, it implies that y square is xz. Then show that xy plus yz is the mean proportional between x square plus y square, x square plus y square, xy plus yz, that we have to show that it is mean proportion, y square plus z square. So if this is mean proportion, it means xy plus yz square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Because it is mean proportion, so middle term square is product of extremes, like that. So it becomes a plus b square. I apply the formula, it is a square plus b square plus 2ab xy into yz. It is x square y square plus x square z square plus y square into y square y4 plus y square into z square y square z square. So x square y square, it will get subtracted here, y square z square, it will get subtracted here. This becomes 2x y square z is equal to x square z square plus y4. So 2. Now what is xz? Xz is, put camera here, xz is y square. Xz is y square. So in place of xz I write y square into y square. This is x square z square, mean y square whole square. Xz is y square, x square z square is y square. So y square square plus y4. 2 y4, y square into y square is y4. It is y4 plus y4. 2y4, y4 plus y4 is 2y4. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Question number 10 is solved for you, that you can do. Question number 11. If three quantities are in continued proportion, let the quantities be x, y, z. So the continued proportion mean x, y, z are in continued proportion it implies that y square is equal to xz. They are in proportion, so square of the middle term will be product of extreme terms. Then we have to show that ratio of the first to third. We have to prove a ratio of the first to third x ratio z is duplicate ratio of first to second. Ratio of first second duplicate. So x is first, z is third. Ratio of first to third is duplicate ratio of first to second. That we have to show. X upon z is x square upon y square. So y square is xz. X upon z is x square upon xz. This one cancels with x. So x upon z is equal to x upon z. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Then question number 12. If y is the mean proportional between x and z, so it means y square is xz. If y is mean proportional between x and z, it means y square is xz. Then we have to prove that x square minus y square plus z square is upon y minus 2 plus z minus 2 is y4. So x square minus y square plus z square is upon 1 upon x square minus 1 upon y square. Because power is minus, so we take LCM. Take it into the denominator. Plus 1 upon z square is y4. Now I take LCM of the denominator. Numerator I write as it is. X square minus y square plus z square upon, I take LCM, it is x square y square z square. LCM will be multiplication of these three terms. So x square cancels with x square, it remains y square z square. Y square cancels with y square, it remains x square z square. Z square cancels, it remains x square y square is equal to y4. And the next step on the next page, this will go into the numerator and will get multiplied in the numerator. So x square minus y square plus z square into x square y square z square upon y square z square minus x square z square plus x square y square is y4. So it is x square minus y square plus z square into x square y square z square upon, now y square is xz, so it can be written as y square square plus x square y square is equal to y4. Note this step, y square is xz, so in place of xz I write y square, this square is here. So x square minus y square plus z square. Here also I write x square y square z square upon y square z square minus y4. It will become y4 plus x square y square. Now numerator I write as it is, it's lengthy one, into x square y square z square. Y square I take as common, it is x square minus y square plus z square. When y square is common, from here it is x square. From y4, 2y are outside, 2y will remain inside y square. From here y square is outside, z square is here, y4. So this is x square minus y square plus z square, they cancel out. Now x square y square z square upon y square is y4. I cross multiply. Here I write xz is xz square into y square upon y square is y4. Note this step again. Xz is x square z square can be written as xz whole square. Now xz is y, value of xz is y upon y square is y4. This y square cancels, 2 2 is 4, y4 is equal to y4. So LHS is equal to RHS. So do it yourself, then you will remember how to do. Practice needed for this question. Then question number 13. Given four quantities A, B, C, D are in proportion. So A upon B is equal to C upon D. When they are four quantities are in proportion, every quantity should be taken equal to K. So it implies that A is equal to BK, C is equal to DK. A minus C B square, I have to show that A minus C B square ratio B minus D C D is equal to A square minus B square minus AB upon C square minus D square minus CD. Now value of A is BK. In place of A I write BK. C is DK into B square. Here B minus D. In place of C I write DK equal to A square is B square K square minus B square minus A is BK into B. Here C square is DK, so it is D square K square minus D square. In place of C again I write DK into D. So from here K is common, K into B square into B minus D upon B minus D into DK. It is now B square, one step I write more, B square K square minus B square minus B square K. Here it is D square K square minus d square minus d square k. D into d square. So this b minus d cancels with b minus d. This k cancels with k. Here it remains b square upon d. From here I take b square as common. Inside is k square minus 1 minus k. Sorry, it was c into dk into d should be written here. It will be d square. From here it is d square is common. K square minus 1 minus k. This k square minus 1 minus k, it will cancel out. So b square upon d square is b square upon d square. So it is d square k, not dk. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Question number 14. Find two numbers such that mean proportion between them is 12. Let numbers be x and y. Mean proportion is 12. So it means 12 square is xy, or xy is equal to 144, or y is equal to 144 upon x. Then third proportion to them is 96. X, y, 96 are in proportion. Third proportion is 96. 1 to third proportion 96. That means y square is 96x. Now what is y? Y is 144 upon x. So in place of y I write 144 upon x square 96x. 144 into 144 square upon x square is 96x. So x will get multiplied, 96 will get divided here. 144 upon 96. This x when multiplied here, it becomes x cube. X square into x is x cube. I cancel these out in the table of 24. Then 36. So 216 is x cube. 216 is 6 cube. So x is 6. Then y is 144 upon x. 144 upon 6, that is 24. So numbers are 6 and 24. Question number 15. P ratio Q, P upon Q is equal, question number 15, not 16. 16 is solved. Question number 15 is find the third proportional to xy plus y upon x, then x square plus y square. Let third proportion be A. Are in proportion. Let third proportion be A. Then this will be in proportion. So it means x square plus y square root its whole square is xy plus y upon x into A. Square of middle term will be product of extreme terms. So this square root cancels with square. That is x square plus y square I take LCM here. It is x square plus y square upon xy into a. I take LCM and add. So to find a, this I cross multiply xy into x square plus y square. This will get divided here. This will get multiplied. This will get divided. A, x square plus y square, they cancel out. So a is equal to xy. That is answer. So it's over for today. Tomorrow we will complete this exercise. Then we will proceed to next one. Thank you very much. Until then, stay safe, stay inside.